In this video, you'll learn how to import docx documents into WordPress posts or pages. This process will guide you through the necessary steps to upload your document successfully. Begin by navigating to the WordPress.com site, open your preferred web browser and type in the address for WordPress.com. Once the page loads, look for the Sites option, which is usually located in the top menu. Click on Sites to proceed. After accessing the Sites section, you will see a list of all the websites you have created. Identify the site where you want to import the docx document and click on its name. This action will take you to the site dashboard where you can manage your content. On the site dashboard, locate and click on the Close button, which you can find in the top right corner of the screen. This will close any open site editor windows and take you back to the main dashboard view. Confirm that you are now back on the site dashboard before continuing. Next, look for the plus icon, typically found in the main editing area. Clicking this icon will open a menu with various content options. This is an essential step as it allows you to add new content to your site. Once the menu appears, find the search bar and click on it. This will allow you to enter keywords to find specific features or options. Type in File, Upload to quickly locate the file upload feature within the menu. After entering File Upload, you will see the relevant option appear. Click on it to proceed to the file selection area. Here, you can choose the docx file you want to upload from your computer. Make sure the file size is manageable, as larger files may take longer to upload depending on your internet speed. Once you have selected the docx file, you can either click on the upload button or drag the file into the designated upload area. If you choose to drag the file, ensure that it is dropped in the correct field to initiate the upload process. After the upload completes, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that the file has been successfully uploaded. It is important to verify that your file is listed in the media library or relevant section before moving on to edit or publish your post or page. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.